Alright guys, today I got a Lexus 2013 GS350. If you have IS250, doesn't matter. How to replace a cabin filter is the same procedure. So for this car, there's the part number. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside, make sure your engine is off, the key's off, the blower motor is off, everything is off, okay? Because you don't want to remove that filter and you pumping air right through the vent. So we're gonna open this. You're gonna have manuals and stuff in here. Just remove that stuff. All right. So this little guy, it was loose already on this car. So this was sitting right here. It's supposed to be stuck up on this side and locked up on this side. So pull that off. Once you remove that, you're gonna see this tray right here. You push on this and you push on that, and this comes off. And then you're gonna have an arrow sign right there, okay? So when you're putting a filter in, you have to pay attention to the arrow sign right there, because the filter does have a direction. You're gonna push on this tab here to remove this lid here, and you're gonna push on this tab right here, and you should be able to pull out the cabin filter just like that. All right, so I don't know how old this cabin filter is, but my friend here got this car and this is the first time he's changing it, so he should be good for 15,000 miles, and that's how often you're gonna change this. All right, so I'm gonna put this here and we're gonna get the new filter and we're gonna swap it with this one. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this one out of here. And we're gonna put this to the side. This probably has an arrow too. You see this? It has an arrow upward. Let's look on the tray one more time so we know the way it goes in. Where did I put the tray? I was looking for the tray, but this whole tray is part of the whole housing. So there's an arrow. All right, so the new filter is gonna have an arrow just like that. You're gonna follow the same direction. Drop in this cabin filter. All right, so I got this cabin filter in. Make sure you push it to the edges here. Otherwise your air is gonna escape from the sides here. Same thing here. All right, so we're gonna take this, very simple. You put it in there and you push it in and it locks itself in. That's how simple it is. All right, and then you're gonna take your cover here. You're gonna push this in. There you go. And make sure you put this little guy in. So to put this in, you see this little guy right here? You're gonna stick this into this hole right here, and once you have it there, it's gonna line up on the other end, and you push on it just like that, and you put the stuff back in, and you're done, and you're set for 15,000 miles.